Hey everyone, my name is Sanura Beharry, and today at Craft Corner, we'll be making a lava lamp. For this experiment, you'll need a glass bottle, 1 cup of water, 2 cups of oil, food coloring of your choice, I chose red, a spoon, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. The first step of this experiment is to color your water using your food coloring. Here I use my spoon to take it out and mix it into the water. The next step is to pour your oil into your bottle. After pouring your oil, pour your colored water into the bottle. Finally, the last step of this experiment is to break up your Alka-Seltzer tablets and place it into the bottle. And there you have it, you've successfully made a DIY lava lamp. I advise you to wait until your oil and your water are separated before adding your Alka-Seltzer tablets. I also have a light under the bottle so you can see what happens. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.